So here's the before shot of the carpet, living room carpet. Very stained. We'll see what happens after a professional cleaning. Hopefully I could look back at this video and say 5 stars.
My name's Garry. The name of the company is Husky Carpet Cleaning. I was breeding Huskies when I was 19 years old, so I started Husky Carpet Cleaning.
Brief explanation of the procedure.
Procedure is truck mount steam extraction. So we got a onboard unit in the van. It's a powered takeoff. It runs right off the engine, V8 engine, and it heats the water in the van too. So basically we hook up to water at the house or the business or the commercial account, and the van does everything else. The van has all the suction, has a 150 gallon tank, has everything. Everything's self-contained. So pre-spray all the carpet, work on any spots separately, extract with clean water so there's no residue left behind.
Like the soap, is it toxic, or how would you, is it pet friendly and all that stuff?
Someone asked me that yesterday, and the answer always is, it's an enzyme pre-spray that's basically like you wash your clothes with. You know, it's going to be a fabric softener and an enzyme that just breaks as a protein enzyme, so it breaks down all proteins. Yeah, very safe.
What stains come out and what stains don't come out generally?
Man, what stains come out and what ones want to stay? Potted plants, you're going to water your potted plant and it's going to bleed into the carpet. Those pottery stains stay. Coffee stains come out for the most part, but in certain carpets let go of stuff, certain don't. 90% of the carpets want to let go of everything, but there's many stains that won't come out.
And what about moving furniture? Do many customers just have stuff everywhere? And
Well, most of them are excited, so they give me a call and want to talk about that. They'll say, I need a vacuum, what do you want me to move? So we'll say, get all the small stuff out of the way. Get your plants, get the stuff, get all the little chairs, just like you did. You got your chairs out of the way, and that just makes it easier. And then we slide couches. We don't move beds because they don't tend to have enough room to move them around in there. But we can move almost anything. But we won't move electronics. If you got your computer desk set up and they want that moved and you got all that electronics going on, we've learned not to touch that.
what happens afterwards? Like, there's a time to dry, and what should the customer do to
Stay off the carpet. I always say, you're walking on it. You know, you can walk on it. Everyone has to, most of the time. But if you can stay off it for the first 5 hours and let those fibers get air to it instead of smashing down, and then it takes longer to dry. But if air gets to it, let it dry. Stay off of it.
What's the best part of your job?
Best part of my job is meeting all the people. Like yesterday, I had a client where I've been there for 25 years and watched their whole family grow up. I'm part of the family. They know my life. I know their life. It's really integrated, and knowing all these people is what the best part is.